A taxi driver whose vehicle slammed into two pedestrians on Eastwood Park Road in St. Andrew yesterday is now in police custody. George Malcolm was captured about 3 this afternoon at his St. Andrew home by detectives attached to the St. Andrew Central Police Division. The driver fled the scene after hitting a man and a woman near the Halfway Tree Transport Center. And we will come back to that story later on in the news. The People's Party.
The incident was captured on camera outside an establishment on the road. The video shows pedestrians walking along the sidewalk and traffic slowing to a crawl. Then suddenly, out of nowhere, this white Toyota Probox taxi speeding, heading towards the sidewalk before hitting the two pedestrians. For broadcasting regulation reasons, we are unable to show the moment of impact. It's understood that the taxi driver fled the scene, leaving the vehicle behind. The extent of the injuries sustained by the pedestrians could not be ascertained. TVJ News understands that the driver is denying that he was driving the vehicle at the time of the incident. He reportedly told investigators that he had stopped to pick up passengers when a man known to him went to run the steering wheel and drove away the vehicle, which later crashed into the two persons. The driver is to be questioned. Nick Dawkins, TVJ News.